Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where the Hibernate mode is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Here's the thing. We can do it through the command prompt as well. We will switch off Hibernate once again and switch it on. This should solve the problem for most of the users. So copy these two commands. I'll share them in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Paste them here and you are done. If this doesn't help, then it could be an issue with the system. So you will have to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. It will need time. It is verifying. Let it run through and do your work while it is running in the background. And if after running this doesn't work, then the last solution is clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration window. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.